This is the Chicken Caravan 130, designed for 130 pastured hens. It's designed so you can easily move around, keep your birds on fresh pasture, so you can just hook it behind like a farm ute. You've got a jockey wheel at the front here, and you can level this up. You've got a sight glass here so you can see when it's level, and you want to keep it level because you've got roll-away nesting boxes and they need to be level so your eggs roll not too fast, not too slow. You've got one of these doors either side, so this is just for an extra bit of shade and some weather protection. They can either be auto or operated manually. And if you come in here, you can see the chassis. It's a hot dip galvanized chassis. So it's designed to be very durable and last really well. And the mesh is designed so the manure, most of the manure will actually fall through and will help to fertilize your ground. You've got these perch bars here. And this is what the birds actually sit on and sleep on at night. Then they come up here to get in the nesting box. So they hop up there, hop in behind these flaps, and they actually lay on this nesting box mat. And this is designed to be pulled out so you can easily clean it. You can either shake it off, you can hose it, you can pressure clean it. And once the bird lays their egg, it actually goes down to the conveyor belt, and the eggs at that point are simply just wound in by hand, and you can put them in trays from there. The nesting box has an inbuilt gate, so it actually closes the nesting box off in the afternoon to stop the hens going there and roosting in there at night, and that'll keep the nests a lot cleaner so that you've got clean eggs the next day. If they roost in there, they'll poop in there, then you've got dirty eggs. This one has lights, interior lights for the birds. So this is to help keep them on the lay, so it extends their day length during the winter months when the days actually get shorter. It helps to keep them on the lay. Then if we come around here, we've got another jockey wheel at the back. So this is just for stabilization, just to keep this unit stable. So once you disconnect it from a vehicle at the front, you level it up, then you come around the back, fold this down, wind it down, keeps it stable. But you need to remember to wind it up, flip it up before you move it. And around this side, we've got our nipple drinkers. And this is what the birds drink from. So they've got these special nipples designed for birds, and it's designed to keep the water nice and clean and give the birds good access to fresh, clean water. And you simply just hook that up to a water source that's on your farm already. So this is a Chicken Caravan 130.